Hi friends, today I will share you some useful formula which is very helpful if we keep in mind that this thing also happen in Excel. So please see our first formula to clean text. If ever we export data from different software and some unwanted icons and unwanted things symbols come in our cell within in our data. If we don't know about this, we need to clear manually, but when we aware this, we can clear use with formula. You see, this is the equal clean, only clean. Here select and down. You see, this symbol has been deleted automatically instead of manually. Right? Another one, sometime we require to count the how many character in this cell and check pen number, any text number. For any of purposes is how much left. If we don't know, we need to count manually 1 2 3 4 5. If this formula will very helpful, equal line and then select this, it will show the count of letter and character. Fine friend. Another one is sometime it is some product is very useful. Sometime we have a table and require the all total. Instead of do manually, see this type, you can easily use some product equal. You can easily use equal some product, this comma this. It will all multiply with this formula, and so the sum you can see here. Also I have done it manually. Fine friends. Another one is sometime we required a mid formula is required. Sometime we take the character any of mid in the cell, so equal mid type. You can select this from which character we start. Suppose we start from 4. How many character start from 4th number? If this is a pen number required to see the status of the SSC, so we take 1 and then back to close, it will show P and you can drag down. You can also take this 2, it will show 2. You can change here from 2 to it will show LT. This is you send second one LT. So friends, you can use accordingly as per requirement. Next one, sometime we require the any of this from the character left. From left 2 word 3 word, you can easily select equal left how many character required. Suppose Sunday we require in sort in, so we check SUN only, pick 3 letter only, it will show this. Same things is for right. Okay, which suppose you can check equal right, right, you can take how many characters. Suppose 3 and 2, you can say 2 and 3. Here is the sense is to take 3 letters every 3. You can select 2 also if required, right? Sometime we require to do a sentence and export a data and some unappropriate. You can use the lower equal. You can see equal lower, equal upper, equal proper. You can see also this data, right friend? Sometime we have a sentence, you can do in sentence also. This is the, so we take this proper and lower, it will also work, right? Sometime we export data and some unnecessary space between this like this, so we use the trim also. It will useful and not fully, and it can be useful if sometime. Now this is the paste special. This the one thing is, so you can control C alt ES, so you can do is the horizontally, you can do is vertically. So this vertically, you can do it horizontally with this. You can also do one thing. Suppose we do copy this and then paste special alt ES Alt ES is a short key, and you can go with the manually also what you require with this. Suppose एक second, copy this and select this. You can go this paste special. You can easily what you do. Suppose you multiply all this amount will be multiplied by 2. You can see it's 2. This is also selected, this is also taken, and if you want to Alt ES divided, it will divided by 2. Alt ES, it will add, you can add, subtract, you can subtract also, right friend. One thing also we require to this copy and paste special only formula. You can formula copy, you can format copy. This time remove the formula, you can use value only. You see the here is formula has been removed, right? These are most all function you can use of the paste special also, right friend. Sometime we check it is exact or not. Sometime it show the exact means actual is written. Actual means January, this the first letter is capital, but other one is a normal, and here is abnormal. Okay, this will show exact and this will show false. And for the check same only, it's equal then equal, it will show true, means the same letter is the same spell, not in what type of the nature and what type of the proper and improper. Right friend, you can use is exact, this comma this, and this comma this equal this. Now sometime we require to check where this is a file situated. If we are sitting in another computer, another PC or laptop, you can simply find in Excel equal cell file name and then on it, and see all. I will show you this equal cell on this bracket file name, then inverted comma and it will show the address. Sometime to calculate the birthday, how exactly you see here the date, birth date, and this is the today date. Can use today with this. Okay, equal TO today bracket close. So today date, right? This is the formula. This is the date of birth. You can use this formula. Date is birthday date, comma today, and then Y last. It's so calculate here. It's so month YM. It's a month, and MD. So it's a month of date. Right? You can easily calculate of this formula with this equal today minus this. So friends, use this simple trick, simple formula, and practice and keep in mind. It will very useful in our running Excel life. We keep in mind, then we can use these formulas. So please comment in comment box. We are going to learn another type of trick. Please comment in comment box. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for the watching. Thank you very much.